So Justin and I are up here in southern Illinois. We just got access to hunt this. It's a couple hundred acres surrounded by public land. It's a farm Justin's got for sale actually. And we get to hunt it in exchange for trying to get some trail cam photos. So we are in here. You can see this thicket behind me. It's just gnarly, and deer will walk through there. But what we have is right next to this big open mature timber is kind of an alleyway right up through here. And we're expecting those bucks to bed down off the point and then make their way out to the field right up this alleyway. So we're going to put us a mock scrape right here. I got an oak limb. I'm going to trim it up. I'm going to hang it off that little elm right there once I get her trimmed up nice as a licking branch, and hopefully be able to get some good scrape photos right here. We'll paw out a nice big area. And Justin says he's got to go pee-pee, so we'll let him pee-pee in it, and we'll get her going here. So what I try to do when I'm making my licking branch is I leave me a little V on there just to kind of let that hang there, and now I'll trim it up at about the right height. I like them about my waist high, or my belly button high rather, and I trim off as much as I can, and that will stick out like a sore thumb to any deer that are coming along this ridge, because it's out of the ordinary. It's hanging upside down. The limbs are going to hang, and they're going to have to walk over here and smell it. We'll take a couple zip ties and zip tie around that so it'll stay there. Hang our camera right over there. We can shoot up this trail, catch them coming or going. I think it'll be a pretty good setup. So we want a big, nice, scraped out area. Very obvious, visible cue with the limb. Visible cue here. Mason's going to deposit a little scent there for us. We're going to head on to the next one.